Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, July 1st, 2010. Today we had a total of 12 executable trade signals for a max potential of 39 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had a pre-market half gap trade set up for us off an extension, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks. We opened up at 1026.75 and made a quick push up through our Globex highs and came back down through our moving average. Actually got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks as we moved down and tested our previous day's low. You can see we kind of paused there for a minute and continued to the downside. Went all the way down to the Globex low, got a little bit of a bounce there, got a signal to get long, got our first contract off, no follow through to the upside, and after that we actually got a signal to get short, and that short signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. You can see we kind of paused a little bit sideways there as we traded around that Globex low before ultimately resuming our downtrend, and we actually got another signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as the market really started selling off. Now we made it down to about our 10:45 confirmation time and got a little bit of a bounce in front of that and pulled back to our moving average for a signal to get long. Got our first contract off, no follow through, T1 minus 2. Came down through our moving average, actually got a signal to get short right at about 10:56. And that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks, and we went down and put in our low at 10:06 right before the lunchtime dead zone. We came into the reversal period right before the dead zone. We actually got a signal to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks as the market started climbing higher into the lunchtime dead zone. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, that's the red area on our chart here. Again, that's the lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades during this period. We just kind of let positions we have on work, or we get ready for after lunch to start trading again. Now, after 1:15, we actually had a quick move up, had a signal to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, and the market continued to climb higher and pushed all the way up towards its previous day's 4:15 close. Found a little bit of resistance there, came down through our moving average, actually creating a signal to get short. That was a false signal in the fact that it stopped us out for both of our contracts. So we took a 14 tick loss on that particular trade, but as we traded higher, we got another signal to get long. Again, first contract off, no follow through, T1 minus 2 on that particular trade. And then ultimately at the 2:30 reversal time, we got a move down through our moving average, got a signal to get short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. So all in all, it was a very, very active day for a market that sold off hard early and then recovered most of everything that it sold off by the end of the day. Ended up with 12 trades for 39 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.